I would like to hand our oceans on to the next generation in a better condition than they are today. And I think with modern marine management, that's actually possible. I always grew up near the ocean. It's been my long-term passion. I can still remember the first time I went snorkeling and just saw that amazing world underwater, and I've always wanted to be a part of it. And through my lifetime, I've actually seen it decline. And now I'm really passionate about ensuring its long-term conservation. So I'm involved in a range of research projects looking at climate change, looking at marine conservation, but my real passion at the moment is drones and using drones in environmental and marine research. Drones are this fantastic tool that provides high definition video of what's going on in the environment. So we use them to capture footage of behaviour of sharks, of dolphins, of turtles, and we're seeing these animals now in completely unique ways because of this emerging technology. This is definitely the future of marine research. One of the best things about being a student or a PhD student is that you get to do the hands-on fieldwork. You're the ones out on the boat catching the sharks. You're the person flying the drone. You're the person doing the diving. And we really try and make sure that our students are getting all of that wonderful experience when they come here.